What's up, guys? We're back again, Howl and Hammer, for another cool adventure. So, client wants to make this into a little pantry. This is the basement. They saw a photo in Pinterest, of course. There's a utility room behind us with a bunch of crap. So I'm going to take out these homemade shelves, and I'm going to build them, as best I can, money, budgeting type of pantry, so they have adjustable shelves. It looks somewhat nice. I said, hey, why don't we do the floor with some nice vinyl light-proof flooring to give it a nice little, added touch. So they're still thinking about that, so we can always do that later. But right now, we're going to get all this out of here. We're going to put a fresh coat of paint on these walls to brighten it up. I mean, it's a little dingy, but you got to work with what you got. So let's rock and roll on this project. I'm going to bring my crew down pretty soon to carry this material out. Taco and Fabio. All right. I think they're looking through the window up there, I think. They know I'm down here. Actually, I'm going to pull this window out. This way they can kind of keep an eye on things. Oh, there he is. What's up, Taco? Huh? What's up, buddy? Fabio? Say hello to everybody. Okay. Let's get going, guys. In the walls, we put some upper backer boards. Watch out, buddy, we get all white. We put some top backer boards just to keep things clean, because there's get a lot of dust and debris falling from the top floor joists. So I had these old boards I took from the old shelves, and those will be an upper dust collector, and it kind of brightens up the appearance. So we're going to start laying out the platform where we're at. We got some uprights up. We're getting everything squared. This cannot go straight against the wall, but the wall has a huge bulge right in the middle here. So we got to kind of keep everything off the wall so everything is nice and plumb. So that's where you've been hiding. Huh? Watching the door. Where's your brother at? So we're making progress here, guys. These walls are so out. It's working with what we got. The floor's not too bad. It's actually pretty level. I just got to put a couple of shims, but we almost have all the walls up on all the corners. We have to get another upright here, and then everything's all just about shelving. All the shelves in. That's pretty much it. It's kind of like a kit. Like a box. So as long as you guys get everything nice and level to start, okay, from the base, and everything plumb up and down, everything goes in really nice. But when you're working with a 100-year-old home, you got to improvise and make some alterations stuff. But other than that, I guess we'll be happy. Okay, here we go. Yeah, now they show up after we're done for the day because we ran out of material. So you want to do your job inspections? How about you, Fabio? Come here. Come on. Yeah. Okay, guys, we picked up more material. It is day 2. We're putting all the shelves in. My client so far seems to be very happy. Yes, she does. So it's a good thing. I guess I'm going to get paid. Little note, I had not realized that I've had the fan going, so you're probably hearing a humming noise through this whole video, which I apologize for, because I always forget that the outside noise really affects the video a lot. So please forgive me. I'm not the best videographer, as you have seen. but hopefully my work makes up for it. So we're finishing shelves. That's pretty much it. I put some crown moldings up there to hide the, some of those crevices up there. It's a whole old house. So, it makes it look a little nicer, dresses up the area. About it. Looks like we're pretty much done. So, if you guys decide to do something like this for yourself, you're going to need some tools, okay? Home Depot, Lowe's, always gets the best deals, I think, at Home Depot. But, you'll need a drill, with some pilot head bits. I have a nice 18 gauge pin nailer. I use 2-inch nails, for nailing in some of the smaller trims. And a pin nailer is nice to have, which real small. They're very high gauge, maybe like 20 gauge, 22 gauge, maybe even higher. But those are nice for doing all the small moldings. You might need a jigsaw. I had to make some holes for some access panels and stuff up top. Caulk gun and some caulk, white latex caulk. A drill for screwing some things in. These are my 18 gauge nails, 2 inchers. You'll need a square, definitely. I have a vibratory tool. There's that tool again. It's on every one of my jobs. If you've seen, love this thing. Home Depot. They usually have sales on these around the holidays. Obviously, you need a tape measure, a small step ladder. I have my air gun right here, my DeWalt cordless. I've had that for several years. I love it. Knee pads, obviously. miscellaneous screws, you know. So that's pretty much it, guys. You know, you'll figure it out as you go along. You know, I don't really know much more I could tell you other than call me and hire me. There I go, being cheesy again. So yeah, so that's it, guys. So thanks for joining us. Subscribe, like. Antonio, Howl, and Hammer, DIY Adventures with Paws. My boys are outside, so they won't be saying goodbye right this second. So, but they will be in the clip somewhere, as usual. So thanks a lot, guys. Thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see anything different in these videos. I'd be more than happy to do different videos for something that you guys want to see. So have a great weekend. We'll see you soon.